This train is bound for College Park Station. College Park Station will be the final destination for this train. Thank you for riding the BART. Please have a great day. The next station is Jacob Well. Ooh, that did not come out right. The machine will tell you. The next station is Evans Mill. La siguiente estación is Evans Mill. Exit here for Bios Cosmos Church City Hall. In BART, we want everyone to enjoy the ride. Learn more about our code of conduct at itsbart.com. Grain BART, grain musuturi yake vyake. The next station is Cosmos. Doors will open to your left direction of travel. The next station is Cosmos. La siguiente estación es Cosmos. Exit here for access to the marina services. Thank you for riding the BART and have a great day. Please remember that it's against the law to eat on buses and trains, drink on buses and trains, unless in a resealable plastic container, smoke, or use sound devices without earphones while riding one. Por favor, cuídense, comer a buses e trens. Beba em buses e trens, unless they are plástico ou reseável. Fumar, apagar telefilhos e telefilhos, mientras viaja BART. We are currently experiencing technical difficulties in our tunnel. Please be patient with us as we fix the technical difficulties in our tunnel at this time. Trains moving, please hold on. The next station is Jacob's Well. La siguiente estación is Jacob's Well. Exit here for the detention center. This is your connecting point to Bios Community Transit. We are holding because there is a train coming. We are holding for another train. The next station is King's Cross. La siguiente estación is King's Cross. Exit here for the 5 Points Prison. This is your connecting point to all rail lines. Thank you for riding the BART. Please have a great day. Remember that the seating near the train doors are reserved for individuals with disabilities and the elderly. Please make priority seats available. For elevator access, please exit to the right side of the train. Por Veloces Excelsior, por favor salga del lado derecho del tren. Doors are closing, please board. Please use manual control for the yard. Manual control, please. The next station is College Park. La siguiente estación is College Park. Please exit here for Federal Aviation Administration offices, Woodward Academy, Airport, and BIOS Community Center. This is also the end of the line, so please enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you for riding BART.